For this screencast, I decided to focus on the image of the Irish flag that you see here. I chose this particular image for my website because of the visual detail represented, but also because of the meaning behind the image. And while the design of the image allows you as the viewer to grasp the sense that the flag was blowing in the wind when the photo was taken, I really want to focus on the meaning of the colors, which you will also see represented on the various pages within this site. The flag's 3 equal stripes illustrate the Irish political landscape as accurately today as in 1848, the year the flag was first unfurled. The green signifies the Irish Catholics and the Republic, the orange standing for the Irish Protestants, and the white, perhaps the most important color, represents a lasting peace and hope for union between the two. The majority of the content within this site focuses on the more appealing aspects of Ireland in terms of tourism, but I thought it was important to very briefly discuss the separation of the Republic and Northern Ireland. For further information about the flag of Ireland, please see the link below this screencast.